Hello and welcome to this video lecture series on information and network security, specially designed for MCA Semester 3 students of GTU affiliated colleges. I am Dr. Shanti Verma, and in this first session we will explore how to implement Caesar Cipher in Python. So let's first discuss what is Caesar Cipher. So basically a Caesar Cipher is a simple encryption technique in which you have to shift letters by a certain number of position in the alphabet. So let's discuss with an example. So for example, we have a shift of 3 and then we have to convert the letter A to D, the letter B to E, the letter Z to C, and so on. So in this way we have to shift the letter based on the shift value given by the user, and we can generate the cipher text. So let's implement this program in Python. So for implementing the Caesar Cipher in Python, we have to first make a method Caesar underscore encryption, in which we have to pass two things, that is one is a plain text and second is a shift value. Now to store the encrypted text, we require one string, so we declare a result. Now we have to check that in this text the letters are only there or not, because if there is a letter we have to convert into a ASCII character. So after that we are checking for capital A and small a and converting both the letters into a ASCII character, and after that we have to apply the shift value, means plus the shift value in this character, and divide by 26 because we are dealing with the letters, and now develops a new character, and we have to add this character in our result string. And if there is a no character, in that case we have to not convert the letter, we can directly add that letter into a result string. Now for decrypting, we required a cipher and cipher text and a shift value, same shift value, and it returns the Caesar Cipher. It calls the Caesar Cipher function and pass the cipher as a input, cipher text as a input, and minus shift as a output, because for the decryption we have to reverse the process of the encryption. Now we can take two input from the user, that is plain text and shift value, and now calling the encryption function and passing the plain text and shift. Similarly, calling the decryption function and passing the cipher text and the same shift value, and now printing the plain text first, second the encrypted text, and third the decrypted text. Okay, so in this way we can implement the Caesar Cipher in Python. Now run the code. So after running the code, it prompts me to enter the plain text. So for example, I write my name as plain text, and it requires the shift value. For example, I put 4, then it convert the plain text into a cipher text and shift the character using the shift value 4, and after decryption it shows me the plain text. So in this way we can implement the Caesar Cipher in Python. So if you have any query, you can comment in the comment box so that I can entertain your query. Thank you.